Hey y'all, and thank you so much for coming on back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make buffalo check pillowcases. So you're going to need some fabric, a pillow or a pillow form, scissors, and my fabric are actually curtains I got from Dirt Cheap, as well as my pillow form. You're going to need some heat bond, adhesive, an iron, and we're gonna get started. So first, what you're gonna do is you're going to take your pillow and lay it out flat on the floor or a hard surface, as well as your fabric, and you're going to measure your fabric. So what I did was I took the length of my pillow and multiplied it by 2 or doubled it, and then with the width of my pillow I just added an additional 2 inches, one on the top and one on the bottom. So now you're going to take your fabric, sit it up facing you, sit your pillow inside the fabric, and then fold both sides over like I just did. Now the heat bond and I did not work out, but what you're going to do is, if you're anything like me and you love a little good hack, take your hot glue gun. This actually worked a lot better than the heat bonding stuff. Take your glue gun and just gently dab the corner of where the folded over fabric meets the edge of your like where your seam will be. So you'll see me do it again. I'm going to go on the other side. There's the corner of my folded over fabric, just the corner where they meet. You're going to take your hot glue, put a dollop or a little dot of hot glue just on the corner where the two ends meet, and gently pat it in place so that you don't burn yourself. You're going to do that on both sides. Okay, now when you have both corners secured down or glued down, you are going to slide your pillow out of the very basic outline of a pillowcase that you have. Now I'm struggling because I'm trying to record and do this, but just slide it on out and you should get a flat folded piece of fabric kind of like this. So you'll see me smoothing it out for you. And yeah. So what I'm going to do now is take my hot glue and just glue together the edges. So I'm going to create a seam, just glue together all the way across all of the edges, and you'll see like they're completely adhered together, both sides, making a seam. This is a no-sew pillowcase. So glue the sides together, both sides, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn the pillowcase inside out. So you're going to turn it inside out so that it'll be right side up, so that the fabric is facing the way you want it to face. Alrighty, so when you turn the pillowcase inside out, you will see how your seam has come together like it's seamless. So it looks like you sewed it, but you really didn't. There's also a little pocket where you will slide the pillow in like you would a pillow sham case. So I'm going to attempt just to show you briefly how it'll slide in the pocket. That is what it looks like shoved down into the pillowcase, and me just flopping it. So here's what both pillowcases look like.